out me already.
Eish.
So I put 191, they charged 134. So this is officially the last. Yeah, this is coming. It's recording. It's either we're gonna see blue or this trade is gonna vanish. And so it's a heist.
It's that heist, ne?
Yeah, it's either we get rich or we. Yes, so it's coming.
You see the time? Sitale by 11. 3 apel.
30 minutes left.
30 minutes left.
I'm waiting for. Yasuga. I think this fundamentally slow.
No sell live stream, man.
Sell gold, guys. I feel. Yeah, we'll check it maybe very good. Until 4. It's pretty good. So these 3 last numbers is the 3 last numbers of the account. You explain it in the video.
Yeah, na itekisi bafethu ebamba le heist le bafethu.
We're using 979.
So
It's a yellow one.
ngo-4 o'clock izobe sipanisa le yellow 979.
So
Which now?
So
4 o'clock siyashintsha bafethu na itekisi sobe silanda i-G4S ngayo. Le iyopaka le orange i429 bafethu isasebhizi ne-SBV manje sishayi heist.
Never know. Sell. So man, it's just this daily one that is giving us.
This one is daily. This one is 4 hour.
Is this one we did yesterday?
And this one is the analysis we did yesterday
Of weekly.
of weekly.
So cover what 4 hour in weekly.
So yeah, but if 4 hour ne weekly bafethu has funny, so mina sengen advice akuthini spanisa the hour one yabo.
If you know isikhathi sokuma, if you're willing to hold your trades for 2 weeks or
for 2 weeks, 4
right
weeks.
there.
Maspanisa le.
So at least this one within the day of
Aish bafethu le mali ekota ifuna ukuphuma bafethu, and this is raw authentic yabo. Some of the traders bafethu bazonibonisa nje the flashy lives zama profits yabona la bafethu yanyo. Siyabuyela as the market bafethu today. Babies is volatile or what?
It's volatile.
Yeah, the market bafethu today is volatile. Yeah, i-heist isayishaya. The orange checks bafethu. Sifuna imali. Hamba ithatha lento. Ayinabungozi man. Ayinabungozi. Talento man market. Ayinabungozi man. Hey, ngabe uthatha imali yethu.
Oh, engakala.
16 rand yaphuma imali ekota, 15 ayaphuma bafethu.
Last time we noticed on like making content like this. Is it Shabaki copyright?
Tseso.
Yeah, background really. Sheba Volt theater, you can press there to check the profit.
Bafethu Volt yabuleya. Waibo, check out the time bafethu, real timing out here. Young tall. yonke into amasango ayavuleka bafethu.
Because already by this time it's me. Usually how it's supposed to be.
So bafethu le mali lencane sengitshelile bafethu today kuyabheda ngifuna ukubhayikota. Hopefully le heist leyo 4 o'clock yabo iyo ezosilethela few hundreds yabo ngoba yabo what's missing again bafethu screen bafethu safuna screen esinye just to complete the wall bafethu niyabona nani short screen la. Hey, yaphansi man. Yaphansi.
Oh, let me stand on another one. Kabashapela dollar kids there.
Bafethu new videos coming soon.
From 1 November kids.
From 1 November ziyaphuma bafethu new content. Check out our page dollar dates. Yabo bafethu. Yeah, sure. Fethu man, izinto zamampela foreign affairs. Yeah, and please guys subscribe. You see, don't forget to subscribe bafethu siyandinga la. We need all your subscribers bafethu. Danko.
Subscriber now.
$dollar dates. Bafethu, it's a micro account. Fede, you have to hold. Yabo bafethu Tina. We're not laba ba give up yabo. So siyayibamba is either siyayithatha le risk or yaskip. We don't gamble bafethu. Yeah, we don't gamble. You see the strategy has been built. It's been built. Orange taxi thatha lento nabungozi.
Here's our countdown before the heist finishes.
Okay.
1 hour 15 minutes.
1 hour 15 minutes. Bafethu le mali le hamba ngesikhathi bafethu. Niyasibona isikhathi bafethu.
So a laptop or Google trade.
Ngicabi phone bafethu mina hayi. Bafethu niyabona into engiyibonayo bafethu. Le mali le hamba ngama minutes bafethu. Nazo ke going to 50s. Nazo ke
sibonga ipinkies obabonise lela sefemini Mandela.
Ngithola. Na ipinkies bafethu sicela ukwenza ipinkies bafethu 50 for rain bafethu. Yeah. Bafethu bheka sengenza ama profit kodwa ngisayicabanga ngiyangithola. Sengizolanda bo street wise too. In his laptop.
Because you see this, I saw yesterday because I'm like, nah man, this thing with the Gen Z week 5 but it's dropping. Let me kind of see a smaller time frame. Hey, but I didn't tell the trade. It's when that one maybe goes back to 5, let's say more last year because it's about to the end of the heist. I thought it would. So I'm back to risk because there's like an hour left. So let's just hope maybe for another pinky.
Oh, the battery is bafethu. This can't get in our way. Siyayivala lento, siyayicharger lento. Bafethu esiniyabona bafethu is the last hour of heist bafethu sekuyanyiwa no yabo. So the market is what is this bullish momentum layer yabo. So ikhipha abanye abafaka is like we're still holding. We are good 90 no, and we're still holding bafethu. Ngiyasibona nani isikhathi. Manje bafethu sayeka and let magic do itself or angazi.
Because
bafethu we just open another trade. Is the last hour. If he has covered his once yabo. So siyayilwela la idingle. Silwana. Peeps, right now bafethu ama losses niyabona bafethu gold bafethu dlala bullish momentum leyayo beka ichart yenzani Marcel, how many minutes? It's 15:06. So bafethu selenge 54 minutes bone ukuthi kuzovelani, but right now bafethu are on losses bafethu. Bafethu 0